Hi everyone, in this video you should learn about variable declaration and attribute declaration. Let me explain what is the variable declaration and what is the attribute declaration and what is the difference between variable declaration and attribute declaration. So this is the basic PL-SQL block. Let me execute this. Here we can see the sum of 10 and 20 is 30. So here I am assigning a value to a variable, and this is the data type of specific value. This is the variable declaration. So here declare is optional and begin is mandatory and exception is optional blocks. So same like if we have table fields, for example, here let me filter this record number. So we have employee name and salary and department number. How we should assign these values to this PL-SQL block? Let me explain here. So same like declare, we are declaring the value. Employee name is varchar type and salary is number and department number also it's a number data type. Here what I am doing in begin block, so I am inserting the selected values into the specific value. This is the variable. First, I have declared the variable. Later, I am trying to insert the respective values into the respective variable. Let me run this. So here you can see before that Smith salary is 800 and department number is 20. Let me execute this PL-SQL block. You can see the output is Smith and salary is 800 and department number is 20. So this is the variable declaration. First I have declared the variable and later I am trying to insert the same values into the respective variable. This is completely a variable declaration. Let's come to the attribute declaration. We have two types of attribute declarations. So first one will be the percentage type and the second one will be the percentage row type. So let me explain clearly here what percentage type will do. Whatever the value is assigned, not only the value along with the data type, the same value will be aligned to this variable automatically based on this attribute, percentage type attribute. So let me run this. Whatever the output you can see by using the variable method, the same value you can see here. Smith salary is 800 and department number is 20. By using this percentage type attribute, we can directly assign the value along with the data type. This is about to percentage type. Similarly, we have percentage row type. What this percentage row type means, it will fetch the complete employee table related data into this variable by using the row type. Individually, we can use this variable along with the value. So here automatically the respective value will be stored into the respective variable. Let me run this. Automatically you can see the result here. It will give the same result. You can see here Smith salary 800 and department number 20. So by using this percentage type and percentage row type, automatically we can import the respective values from table, any table. So these all are the difference between variable and attribute type of declarations. So that's all about this video guys. Thank you.